Now that we define the floor plan, let's create a drawing out of it. And again, this is easy. If you messed up on your clipping plane, just delete it, turn it off. It's gone. What you should really do is to make a layer called clipping plane. So a new layer, clipping plane, and make that the active layer. And what we're going to do is to, again, draw the clipping plane. So we're going to take a floor plan. So that means we're going to do a, we're going to make the view from the top. So the command is clipping plane. And then we're going to draw the clipping plane right on the C plane, the construction plane. And again, I'm going to demonstrate this where you can make it so that it is somewhere outside the building or somewhere outside the model, and it will still work. Okay? It's just that it's a lot easier for you to manage or see what's going on if you had it on the building. Sometimes it gets in the way, so what I do is, of course, move it out of the way so that it doesn't show. Okay? So how many feet do we move this up? 4 feet. Okay, so the top view is the clipping plane. Why doesn't it show on the top view? Why do I still see the roof view on here? Because I have not activated the display, or the property, sorry. So I want to activate the top, and now I see that. If I do activate the front and the right, I will see this at the 4-foot cut line as well. Okay. Next, I'm going to do the same exact step that we did for your elevation floor plan, elevation roof plan and the isometric drawing. It is good to get this thing out of the way at this point so that this thing may not copy on. Sometimes it will. Okay, and then when you are in the top view, because it is a orthogonal view directly from the top, what we're going to do is to go to the top view and then select the object and then go ahead and say make 2D. Oh, wait, before that, what I should do is to change the layer. So I'm going to put it into the default layer, make the default layer current, or yes, active, and then take the object, select the object, and then make 2D. And accept that as okay, and there is my 2D drawing of that object. I'll move that out of the way. Okay, and there is my 2D drawing. That is my first floor plan. Let me move this out of the way some more. Okay. So let's move, while we're in the floor plan view, let's move this thing 8 foot up. And that will get me to the second floor view, right? Now if I'm in this perspective view and then select it, and if I'm in the perspective view and then happen to say make 2D, do not do this yourself. And accept that. Notice that I get the perspective view of that, right? So I don't want a perspective view of that just yet. So I'll delete that and make sure that when I select it and make the 2D, I am in the top view. So do this, select it and then make 2D, accept it, and there it is. So since this is a second floor, I am going to place it right above my first floor. So there's my first floor view and there's my second floor view. So together they comprise my floor plan. And if I were to do this or arrange this a little bit more correctly, I would probably do something like have the floor plan, first floor plan, and then my roof view or the roof plan up above that, which sequentially it makes a lot of sense, right? Because we have the first floor plan, the ground floor plan, the second floor plan, and then the roof view. So basically it's like a tiered cake. Okay? So that is my floor plan, or the plan drawings.